Rising majestically in the province of Albay, Philippines, Mayon Volcano is a true wonder of nature. Known as the world's most perfectly shaped cone, its near-symmetrical slopes have captured the imagination of travelers, scientists, and storytellers for centuries. Local legends say Mayon was formed from the tragic love story of Princess Duragang Magayan, whose beauty was as flawless as the volcano's shape. Today, while it remains one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, Mayon continues to awe millions with its breathtaking form, standing as both a symbol of nature's beauty and its power. Subscribe for more fascinating facts.